This video guide will support you on how to document the work created in your RDB so that this can be assessed via an online submission. In order to successfully document your RDB, please factor in the time to do this well ahead of your submission deadline. Ensure you have enough light in the room to document the book in enough detail. Prepare the space you are using to document your RDB and clear any unnecessary clutter. Ensure that you are photographing your book on a stable, flat desk. Have your book facing portrait up. Please ensure your RDB is clearly marked with your name, module code and the name of the component. So photograph each page separately. This can be captured either as a portrait or landscape photo. When photographing your book, please ensure that you have not captured the contents too close to the page or too far away. Please ensure the images and text are clear for the viewer. On your mobile device, you can press on the screen to ensure the camera has focused onto the page. You can press on the screen again and slide upwards to increase the brightness. Avoid using flash, as this can reflect the images and documents in your RDB and cause the images to become unclear to the marker. Make sure that you have everything in the book that is required. Please check with your Moodle assignment and the digital submission document that was sent out on Wednesday, the 18th of March. Next, make sure you have all of the photos you've taken from your phone onto your laptop. Now you've got your images on the laptop, place your images into a new folder and name this with the module code. Open Adobe Acrobat on your Mac. Click on Create, Single File. Find one of the images that you've just put into your folder and click on the first image to open it. Once the image has been loaded into Adobe Acrobat, click on Organize Pages on the right-hand side. You can now either drag and drop the images into the document. Try this with just a few, as it can take a while to load. Add your images into the PDF. If you need to reorder the pages, you can drag them into position. Check the position of each page carefully by cross-checking it with your RDB. Make sure it's in the right order that's the same as your physical book. Once you are happy with the digital images that replicate the same order as your physical RDB, it's time to export the document as a PDF. Do this by going to File, Save As. A new dialog box will appear with Save as PDF. Write the name of the file, and this will be your full name, module code, and the name of the component. Ensure that the format selected in Save As is Adobe PDF files. Once you've done this, click Save. Now check that your document has saved as a PDF by locating where you saved it. For example, if it's in your desktop, go to your desktop in File and open it in Adobe Acrobat.